what an incredible month January is turning out to be. Just hooked up with a couple loads of wood, so I'm trying to get that taken care of today while it's warm. It's going to be 53 degrees today. Next Saturday, the high will be 17 degrees. So we're due for an ice storm here later this evening and then through tomorrow. So I had to go get wood today. I have a ton of things to show you all, but I got to sit down and go through. I got to edit. I got to create. I got to show you. It's all coming very soon. Thank you. Tremendous support for the Patreon channel, and thank all of you for your PayPal donations. You helped out drastically. Thank you. There's more from me very, very soon. I got to take care of the wood. Bye now.